Edamame.
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 Did you try the edamame? The Cooley Region Farm to School program highlights different vegetables each month. Can you guess today's superfood? Follow me. Hi, my name is Karie Johnson. Some of you know me as Miss Karie. I was able to find these beets at the community garden. They grow underground. What other vegetables grow underground? Yep, carrots. You guessed it, radishes. Other vegetables that grow underground are things like potatoes, onions, and sweet potatoes. Today, we're going to make roasted vegetables. We'll need potatoes and sweet potatoes, and of course, the star of our show, the beets. No, Mary, not these beets. Before we start cooking, we're gonna wash our hands. One more thing. We'll wash our vegetables, peel, and dice them. I'm gonna mix these with our seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and a little oil. Put them on my pan and bake at 400 degrees. And we'll mix it all up. So if you see these beets on the menu, be sure to give them a try. And if you don't like them the first time, don't worry. Sometimes it takes 10 or more times for your taste buds to give it a thumbs up.